Hi, today I'll show you how to create this stylish flash cut effect in After Effects. This is super flexible technique that can become something truly unique with a little creativity. Along the way I'll show you some tips, show how to prepare the images and leave the project files in the comments so you can explore the details yourself. And if you want to add more style to your projects, check out the link in the description for my exclusive effects on Envato Elements. Let's get started. First, decide on the idea. Match cuts are everywhere, banknotes, magazine covers, packaging. This is all great references which you can find on Pinterest. Finding the right images is not a quick process, but if you want to make something unique and cool, this is your way to go. I go with a quicker approach and generate images using ideogram.ai. Here's the prompt I use so you can adapt it to suit your concept. 10 images should be enough. Once you're ready, bring them into After Effects and let's dive in. Create a composition and add your footage. Carefully cut out the subject using roto brush and press freeze to lock the mask. I'll leave two settings for now and come back to them later. Add all images to the timeline and arrange the images every 2 frames. Trim them to fit, then scale each one to match the workspace. To make scaling easier, enable rules and mark your working area. The next step is replacing the background. Use the pen tool to cut out your image backgrounds. Press M button twice to access mask properties. Next, invert the mask, set mask factor to 5 and adjust the size with mask expansion. Repeat the steps for all images. Now, return to a footage and scale it so it fits perfectly into the frame. Create a solid layer to serve as the background, place it under the images and resize it. Change the blending mode to overlay and add a fill effect to adjust the color. Duplicate the solid layer for each images by pressing Ctrl D and changing the colors to add more variety. With the backgrounds in place, you can duplicate the images and extend the effect as much as you want. Now we can adjust the roto brush settings on the footage for best results. Time to add some style. For the footage, apply posterized time effect with a value of 10 and use curves to adjust the contrast so the subject blends naturally. Next, search some paper texture on the internet. It can be either a static image or an overlay video. Overlay will of course look more lively. Pre-compose all the image layers to ensure the texture only affects the lower layers, not the images. Place the texture under the pre-composition and experiment with blending modes. At this stage we already get a good result, but we can make it even better. To enhance the effect further, create an adjustment layer, apply transform and animate a zoom. Set the first keyframe, zoom in towards the middle and return to the original position. Select the keyframes, press F9 for smoother motion and adjust the speed graph if needed. To add motion blur, uncheck use composition shutter angle and set the desired blur value below. Create another adjustment layer, add curves to boost contrast and use CC vignette to add a subtle vignette. Finish it off with camera shake from my Shake Effects pack for extra dynamism. For a final touch you can add 3-tone effect to create a monochromatic look and adjust the tones to your liking. And that's it. Experiment with each steps because that's how truly unique ideas are born. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Let's see you in the next one.